Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Amen. Please come over. Please visit Bioessence. We are located at 3rd level of SM City, Mabolos. You're all welcome.
Okay. Ganito ba talaga yun?
Hi Cykanikers! Hi, hello. I'm Cykaniki. Welcome to this channel. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. So today, I'm here at the opening of Bioessence here at SM City Cebu, located at 3rd floor, Ayala. 3rd floor, SM City Cebu, not Ayala, guys. So, I'm super blessed because I was invited by Miss Ange at Bioessence, and right now I'm still waiting because there's a mass, and I'm going to tour around at the Bioessence. They offer a lot of services concerning with your skin.
Managkot.
Managkot guys.
The Lord be with you. But the loving God bless you all, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
I started Bioessence in Davao 24 years ago. The Cebu, sabi nila bakit walang Cebu? So finally, kasi we spread our wings after Davao to Metro Manila and the neighboring provinces sa Manila. And then, last yung Visayas. We built a relationship with our client by making sure na yung initial purpose and objective nila why they avail Bioessence nakukuha nila. Like, for example, relaxation, they get to relax here. And others naman, mostly we have a lot of warts, times with warts, pigmentation, and also for acne. So basically, our services are more treatments than just cosmetic. Kasi dermatologist ako. Kaya functional services siya, hindi lang siya pampering na enjoy. It has actually objective or a result that will depende sa problem ng skin.
The clients will come in inside the clinic as a client, but once they step out, they feel like they belong to a family. So we make them feel like they are our family. That's how we are different from them. Not just simply a client, but part of the Bioessence family.
Sweet. Hello. Call center needs you.
That's so ugly.
No, you're in. You're out.
Thank you. Emily Empire. Charot.
Yes, ganon. Plug. Guys, I'm with one of the members of Gamhan and Gam. Grabe, go pa kayo. Angela. So, si Miss Angela, follow her, guys. Super. Ang gaganda ng mga videos nila ni Choming Hospital. Grabe. Malingaw kay ko ito yung Korean katong sayaw. Bravo. Yeah. Dili lang sa toy lang sayo niya. Na-copyrighted.
Tungkol sa sex bomb.
Nasa to. Di na isa ito copyrighted. Aligre kay Betty. Edit ni Joey ba? Kasi copyrighted sa sex bomb.
So wala ito na monetize?
Wala. Tayo, ipaabot pag 10 minutes. As in, si Michelle nga gwapa. Sorry nga. Sabak ka.
Oy, teka lang. Ano ba?
Hi guys, so right now I'm availing the diamond peel, and after this infusion para daw ma-moisturize yung face. So how much yung diamond peel dito, ma'am? Yung complete talaga siyang is 2.5. I want to. What do you mean by complete?
With facial na siya, with the extraction of blackheads and whiteheads, tapos may mask na siya.
Okay. I'm done with the diamond peel, and yeah, do I look great? But my eye bags is super great. Oh, okay. That's Miss Parent.
Hi!
Yes. He's also having a diamond peel right now. So right now guys, after sa Diamond Hill, we're here at the Auto Infusion.
Okay lang, I like it. I wish it was longer.
Yeah.
Oxygen Cuticles from Korea.
Okay. What's the difference? Bakit maganda siya? Nag-glow ng skin sa
Yes po, and pa-moisturize sa atong skin.
Okay. Ah, para siyang airbrush.
Yes po.
Super relaxing guys. Ang ganda. Oxygen infusion talaga. I have a new friend guys. What's your name? Fran. Hi Fran. Say hi to them.
So far, I'm loving the experience and also the staff, the crew. Yun, very accommodating.
Ilang star na yung display mo sa kanila?
5-star out of
Doktora Maiden, kasi dermatologist
Yes.
man siya.
Doktora Emma Beleno Guerrero.
Thank you, Doktora Emma Shalan. Wala nang kilay, bes.
Yes. Ano difference, ma'am?
Yes. Sana meron akong before and after, no?
Before.
Ito na yung after the treatment. Maganda ba, guys? Sabihin niyo sa comment down below if meron bang kakaiba na nangyayari sa aking face, ha? Sige. Si Madam Paris na yung next. Siya na. And I'm going to exit. Thank you so much for this treatment for my guys. After dun sa diamond peel and then the oxygen infusion, I'm here sa massage. They offer massage din dito sa Bioessence. Hi, Ma'am Rev! Thank you sa back massage. Magpapamassage ako, guys. Super. Ang galing ng massage, guys. First time na merong facial clinic na merong massage. Kasi usually, if facial clinics, di ba, usually facial lang, tapos meron din kayong slimming, di ba? And then first time na combination siya with the massage. Ang ganda, nakaka-rest talaga. Yesterday, we were at Aloginsan and that was a very long trip and today was just super pampering for me.
Kulba at first.
Why is it cool ba?
Init.
So it's tolerable. Init naman, di ba?
4 times ng mga deep kay sakit na siya. Init.
Good for kano siya ma'am, kanang mga spasm bitaw nga kamot.
Okay, mga pasmo-pasmo.
Pasmado nga kamot, then maka-relieve siya sa kanang nerves nimo.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Hello, Miss. Say hi. Hi. Please come over. Please visit Bioessence. We are located at 3rd level of SM City, Mabolo. See you. You may look for me, Christy, the branch manager, or just be here. Just come over. You're all welcome. Thank you. Guys, I'm going to avail the ano yan? Hand Paraffin. And sabi nila masakit, guys. Ay, init?
Gidip.
Ay!
Bakit napasahon natin siya eh?
Wow! Oh my God!
Parang gigante. Para makaready ka. Okay.
Ganito ba talaga yun?
Please, ganda. Oh my God. Wait, para ako. Ano? Nag-chill yung kulbati ko. Aray, last month pa? Oh my God. Okay, meron pa din. Sige, tingnan guys, tingnan na nangyayari sa ano ko, hands ko.
Rice cooker ako kamot, guys. Oh my God.
Sige ma'am.
Last na.
Relax at
Sige. Ano na rice cooker yung hands ko. Guys, na si Emily, si Maine. Si Maine. Hi, Maine. And si Miss Ria, lang mga gwapa. Ina, doon ka ta. Subscribe, 1, 3, 2, 1. Subscribe!
Like and subscribe.
Yes.